The Earth looks solid, but inside it is layered like an onion. The main mechanical layers are the crust, lithosphere, asthenosphere, mantle, and core. The crust is the outermost layer, 5 to 30 kilometers thick under oceans and 50 to 70 under continents, thicker under mountains. It makes up just 1% of Earth's volume and 5% of its mass, yet supports all life. It consists of sedimentary rocks on top, igneous and metamorphic below, with basalt at the base. Major elements include oxygen, silicon, aluminium, iron, calcium, sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Temperatures at the base reach 200 to 400 degrees Celsius. The lithosphere, 10 to 200 kilometers thick, includes the crust and upper mantle. It is rigid, broken into tectonic plates that float on the softer layer beneath. The asthenosphere lies below, 80 to 200 kilometers thick. Soft and partially molten, it supplies magma and drives plate tectonics. The mantle extends to 2,900 kilometers. Solid but slowly flowing, it has a density of 3.3 to 5.5 grams per cc, is rich in iron and magnesium, and makes up most of Earth's volume. At the center is the core of iron and nickel, density 5.5 to 13.6. The outer core, 2,900 to 5,100 kilometers deep, is liquid and generates Earth's magnetic field. The inner core, from 5,100 to 6,400 kilometers, stays solid under extreme pressure. These layers are divided by discontinuities: Conrad between upper and lower crust, Moho between crust and mantle, Ripetti between upper and lower mantle, Gutenberg between mantle and outer core, and Lehmann between outer and inner core.